These kind of events are becoming more and more frequent in our country, especially in all the big reserves, the wildlife sanctuaries and tiger reserves in the country. And I think the government needs to step in and to kind of counsel these drivers and naturalists and tell them they should not be indulging in these kind of activities, because it not only endangers the life of the tourists, it is also going to create a lot of trauma for the animals, wild animals. Everywhere you see, there will be 20-30 vehicles on one tiger or one leopard, and in this incident, as you see, the driver constantly is trying to taunt the elephant, the tusker, and when a tusker is in its must, it's a time when it is very aggressive. They need to be cautious. Despite knowing that the elephant is in must, the driver repeatedly tries to taunt it. So this is very dangerous. These kind of things should not be encouraged. All the forest departments also need to come down hard on these kind of incidents. They need to warn the resorts, they need to warn the drivers and the naturalists there. People just go to enjoy wildlife, but their lives can't be put at risk just for getting a few exciting moments there. So I would suggest the government, especially the forest departments, take it up very seriously and stop this. This has been going on for ages now. We've been talking about this frequently, but it's been happening. For these drivers and naturalists, it's become just another thing to show off and to get a little bit of money from the tourists. So this has to stop. It has to stop in the good of wildlife and for the good of the tourists.